Alright, good morning, good afternoon, whatever the case may be. Today, you need this note sheet, and we're going to get a grade on this, so please go ahead and get down everything that I am getting down. Alright, so let's do some problems, and then we'll define some of these things. Do some examples first. I'm going to bump this down a little bit. So let's just pick a random. Let's just start with 1. So 11 and 14. Okay, let's go ahead and sketch those out, because I'm a little hesitant to write all over this, but it looks like I'm here with 14 and I'm here with 11. And you can pull away all the other stuff, okay, because it doesn't impact these two. Well, if you look at these two, it's definitely inside these two. And then if you look at this, this is called a transversal. It's on the opposite side. So these are alternate interior, which is A. All right. Let's look at another one. So 1 and 6. Well, it's right here. So let's go ahead and draw that, or sketch it. Here's 1. Here's about 1. This is 3. 1 and 6. Well, we should know those, because we had a whole bunch of this last chapter. And anytime we are here, which is what we have here, then those are vertical, which is F. Okay. The next one, 2 and 3. So let's go ahead and sketch that. Here's 2, here's 3. Again, all this other stuff doesn't matter. We're really just looking at 2 lines and then the one that cuts it. So 2 and 3 are on the same side, okay, and they are inside. So that would be same side, interior. Okay. Also want to do 6. So 6 is 6 and 14. 6 and 14 are up here. So we got this. 6. Got 14. So those are on the same side. So on the same side, except one's inside and one's outside. Alright, one's outside, one's inside. All the other ones have been consistent to date. So when one's inside and one's outside, that's what we call corresponding. So 6 and 14, and this is problem number 6, problem number 7. 6 and 14 would be, those are called corresponding. So that's that. 11, 4 and 16. Well, where are those guys? Where are 4 and 16? Well, you should see they're here. So if we draw this, 4 and 16. 4 is, this is the inside. They're not on the inside, they're on the outside. And they're on the same side. So that's same side, exterior. So that is D. That's 11. So for 11. Okay. So hopefully we have enough here to kind of start some of these definitions. Alternate interior, alternate sides on the inside. Same side exterior. Interior. Same side inside. I'm going to slide over here a little bit to give us a little bit room. Alternate exterior. Different sides outside. Same side exterior. Same sides outside. Corresponding. Same side. One in, one out. Vertical. I'm hoping we know what vertical is. Draw a picture of vertical. Those are vertical angles. Okay. So let's do a couple more down, and again, really want you to get in the habit of sketching this stuff out. Just gets, especially with this, I mean, there'd be markings all over this, and I definitely think the pictures help. I know they help me. So you're stuck in here, you're stuck in this class, so you're gonna learn today, as they say. Name two angles that form alternate interior angles with angle 6. So we're still looking at that figure up top. So alternate interior angles with angle 6. So here's 6. And we want alternate interior. So we need something that's going to be in here. So they're going to be alternating. So alternate interior would be that, because those are both on the inside. So that's the first piece. And then we also are going to look for something, if we're looking at this piece inside here. So 6 and alternate will be 3. So angle 9 and angle 3. Okay, alternate exterior with 1. We'll look at guy 18. So this is 16. Hopefully I'll leave you some room for 17. So alternate exteriors with 1. So where is 1? Here's 1. Alternate exterior. So let's look down here, because that's on the outside there. So if I drew another one here, it's got to be on the outside. So and it's going to alternate. So outside would be, I think that's 8, 1 and 8. Angle 8. And then if we look at it this way, this is outside, and then one of these would be outside, and I want it to be this guy. That's out because I wanted to alternate. So if I look at the picture, then that is 14. Okay. A couple more from the back. There's Pizzazz. Why did Orgo iron his 4-leaf clover? I'm sure that's going to be a funny joke. Let me just get that out in the open straight away. So the angles labeled 3 and 6. Let's try that one. So 3 and 6. So I'll draw a little sketch here. 3 and 6. I don't want to clog up my picture there. So those are on the inside definitely, and they alternate definitely. Well, I don't have a choice. They're both alternate, and those are inside, so that's K. So what do we do with that? Well, wherever there's a 7, we put a K. Okay, and then another one that I'll do, if 1 is 125, then what's 5? And we haven't really gotten into the properties, but we can start chipping away at them. 1's here, 5's here. And when you have these lines, and assuming they're parallel, which it says that they are up here, okay, so these lines are parallel. So when they're parallel, then corresponding angles are congruent. Same with alternate vertical, alternate exterior. You can kind of look at it and see it, especially when you draw it tilted like this. So 1 and 5 are going to be H. So H is 10. Okay, so that should get you rolling on that. Hope that makes sense. I'll have you guys work on this. Probably kick it back to you and have you do some of these on the board. Make sure we're in a good place, and we'll move forward. Thank you for your attention. Please have a great rest of your day, and we will see you soon.